Your outdoor cleaning routine is about to change completely. These are 5 of the best pressure washers on the market right now. Every single pick was chosen based on real-world performance, build quality, and value for the money. All product links are in the description below. Stick around until number 1, the top pick on this list, to something no other machine at its price point comes close to matching. You will want to see it before you spend a single dollar. Number 5, the Steelite electric pressure washer. This one looks like just another compact pressure washer. What it actually does with 2,000 pounds per square inch of pressure will change how you think about the category. The Steelite is a lightweight electric pressure washer built for everyday outdoor cleaning around the home. Grimy patios, stained driveways, and caked sidewalks are exactly the kind of problems this machine was designed to solve. We tested it on a concrete patio that had not been cleaned in 2 years. One session and the difference was immediate. The Steelite delivers 2,000 pounds per square inch of cleaning pressure at 2.5 gallons per minute water flow. 4 quick connect brass nozzles let you switch between a wide spray pattern and a pinpoint stream without stopping to swap anything out. The 20-foot hose keeps you mobile across any surface, and the foam cannon attachment lets you pre-soak before you blast. Imagine walking your entire driveway clean in under 30 minutes without breaking a sweat. For anyone buying their first pressure washer, the Steelite earns its spot on this list. Number 4, the SIMPSON PowerShot 3300. This next machine is powered by a genuine Honda engine. That one detail tells you everything you need to know about what class of cleaner this is. The SIMPSON PowerShot is a professional-grade gas pressure washer built for the kind of cleaning jobs that electric machines simply cannot handle. Thick oil stains, years of concrete buildup, heavy mildew on large surfaces. Those are the jobs this machine was engineered for. We ran it on an oil-stained garage floor that had resisted every other cleaning method. It cleared the surface in a single pass. It delivers 3,300 pounds per square inch of gas-powered cleaning force at 2.5 gallons per minute, backed by the Honda GX200 engine with a built-in low-oil shutdown. The AAA triplex plunger pump requires 0 maintenance and is built to last through thousands of hours of operation without losing output. The 25-foot MoreFlex hose resists kinks and abrasion on any surface. 10-inch pneumatic tires handle rough terrain without slowing you down. Imagine finishing a full driveway, a fence line, and a concrete patio all in a single afternoon without stopping once. The SIMPSON operates on a completely different level. Number 3, the Sunjoe SPX 3000. Stop what you are doing. Pay close attention to this next one. This might be the pressure washer you actually end up buying today. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 is one of the most recognized pressure washers on the market, and the reason becomes clear the moment you use it. It delivers 2,030 pounds per square inch of corded electric power. We took it to a fence line caked with algae and mildew. One pass was all it needed. 5 quick connect spray tips covering 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree patterns, plus a dedicated soap nozzle, handle every job from gentle rinsing to aggressive surface blasting. The dual deterging tank system gives you 2 separate 900-milliliter tanks, so you can switch between cleaning solutions without stopping. The 34-inch stainless steel spray lance with brass fittings adds durability you don't usually find at this price point. Imagine owning the pressure washer that has built one of the most loyal buyer followings in the entire category. Number 2, the Westinghouse EPX 3500. Stop right here. Pay close attention. What this machine packs into a single electric unit is genuinely hard to beat. The Westinghouse delivers up to 2,500 pounds per square inch of electric cleaning power. A complete 5 nozzle set shicks in the box. 0-degree, 15-degree, and 25-degree tips come alongside a turbo nozzle and a dedicated soap applicator. The onboard 20 fluid ounce soap tank keeps your solution on the machine at all times, so you never stop mid-job to reload. Anti-tipping technology and 4-wheel 360-degree steering make repositioning on wet surfaces completely effortless. The automatic pump shutoff triggers the instant you release the trigger, protecting the motor and extending its working life far beyond machines that lack it. We use this machine across 3 back-to-back cleaning sessions without a single issue. Imagine finishing your entire driveway, patio, and fence line in a single Saturday morning without stopping once to adjust, refuel, or reload. The Westinghouse is the second best pick on this list. What beats it at number 1 might actually surprise you. Number 1, the Greenworks electric pressure washer. This is it, the pick that earns the top spot on this entire list, not because of the biggest spec number, because it gets everything right. The Greenworks delivers 2,100 pounds per square inch through a 13-amp motor with push-button start. No gas, no priming, no complicated startup, just press and clean. We have tested a lot of pressure washers. The Greenworks is the one we keep coming back to. The metal quick connect wand accepts 25-degree, 40-degree soap and turbo nozzles right out of the box. The built-in soap applicator lets you apply detergent directly through the machine without stopping. All accessories store internally when the job is done. The retractable handle makes moving it between sessions effortless. Imagine owning the most complete and practical pressure washer on this entire list. The Greenworks electric pressure washer earns the number 1 spot by doing everything well and asking nothing complicated in return. There you have it, 5 pressure washers ranked from solid to exceptional. Whether you're buying your first machine or upgrading to something built for serious work, every pick on this list has a job it was made to do. Every product link is sitting in the description right now. Go check prices before they change. Drop a comment below and tell us which one you're going for. If this list saved you time or money, hit that like button right now. Subscribe if you're new here and turn on notifications because we have more lists just like this one dropping very soon. Don't miss the next one.